Hi, welcome to Simple How To's. In today's video, I want to show you how you can scale up your Fiverr business. So the first way you can do so is by promoting your Fiverr gigs via all the other social media handles. To do so, you must have a Fiverr account first. Watch the video that is in the description link of this video so you can know how to go about it. To create an account, use the second link in the description of this video. After you've created an account, you come where it says gigs. Under the respective gig, you click the drop down menu. Let's say I want to choose this gig. You click share. Then you can share it on any of these social media handles, or you can copy the link and you start pasting it wherever you want. All right, so the first here is Fiverr exchange, gig exchange groups like this one. If I go down here, you see this one as well. So you come and paste your link, or else you click the link for the other person. After you click it, you send them a screenshot, you tell them you're done. Like you come here, you click this link. After it opens, then you take a screenshot of you watching, you viewing their gig. Then you send them a link so that they will reciprocate. All right. This link seems to be dead, it's taking time, but this is how you go about it. Okay. This is the first option of using Facebook. The second option is of making use of WhatsApp groups. If you have so many WhatsApp groups like what I did, you can just copy your Fiverr gig link, then you come and paste it in the respective advertising group. I recommend you downloading WhatsApp for Business for some added features. The link for downloading WhatsApp Business is in the description of this video as well. Alright, so this is how you go about it, and anyone who is interested in hiring you on Fiverr will simply hit this link and they will contact you via Fiverr straight away. Alright, this is the second way. The other option then is by coming here where it says more, you go where it says scale your business. From here, then you see there's an option where it says generate a custom offer, but we want to say come here, it says create your badge. All right. So you can just come and copy this, then you can embed it in one of your websites. I recommend one of the websites that has good traffic so that you utilize this option. And this is how the badge looks like. And you can change your page category here. Maybe you are into graphics and design, right? You see here it has changed. Maybe you are into video and animation. You see here it has changed. Maybe you are into digital marketing. It has changed as well. This is how it will look like. And you come with this. You log into the backend of your website. After logging to the backend, if you're using WordPress, you come where it says widgets. You want to add this as a widget. All right. So after you click widgets, you go to the widgets section of your website. There we are, right? So here you choose where you want to add the widget. Let's say I want to add the widget to footer 2. This is footer 4. Right. Let's say I want to add it in the blog sidebar. All right. So when someone opens a blog, then they'll see something like this. I am here on Fiverr.com. All right. So what you do is you come here where it says custom HTML, drag it, come and drop it here. Then you write whatever title. Let's say hire the developer of this website on Fiverr.com. But here where it says content, just come and paste as it is the content that you have copied from Fiverr.com. Come here, you click save, and if you visit any of the blog write-ups from your website, you must be able to see something like this. Okay, or something like this. Anything new that you have written. So this is your Fiverr page. If you happen to click it here, then it will redirect you to your Fiverr account, and someone can contact you straight away, and they can even see all of your active gigs. So these are some of the great ways you can make use of to attract potential customers to your Fiverr gig. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you do not want to miss any other videos that we upload on this channel, please subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.